Here in the 8th problem, find length and breadth of the rectangle given below if the perimeter is 72. Here the perimeter of the rectangle is 72 meters and here he gave the figure. The length is 5x plus 4 and the breadth is x minus 4. To find the length and breadth. Okay, here he gave length is equals to 5x plus 4. Then next breadth is equals to x minus 4. Breadth is equals to x minus 4. Here he gave the perimeter is 72 meters. So perimeter 72 meters. Okay, here we know perimeter of rectangle is 2 of L plus B. So perimeter of rectangle 2 of L plus B. Here length is L, breadth is B. So here 2 of L plus B means 2 of length is 5x plus 4. So 5x plus 4 plus breadth B, breadth is x minus 4. X minus 4 is equals to, here what is the perimeter? Perimeter is 72. So 72. Next here 2 is multiplying on the left side. If we move to the right side, it will divide. So 5x plus 4 plus x minus 4 is equals to 72 by 2. 2 1s are, 2 3s are, 2 6s are. So 5x plus 4 plus x minus 4 is equals to 36. Here plus 4 minus 4 is get cancelled and 5x plus x is 6x. So 6x is equals to 36. Here x is multiplying on the left side. If we move to the right side, it will divide. So x is equals to 36 by 6. 6 1s are, 6 6s are. Here x is equals to 6. Okay. By solving this equation, we got x is equals to 6. Here he did not ask us for the value of x. He asked we have to find the length and breadth. So here what is the length? 5x plus 4. So length is equals to 5x plus 4. What is x here? X is 6. So 5 into 6 plus 4. 5 6 are 30. So 30 plus 4 is equals to 34 meters. Okay, length is equals to 34 meters. Now breadth. Breadth is equals to x minus 4 means x is 6. So 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. So 2 meters. Length is 34 meter and breadth is 2 meter. This is the solution for 8th problem. Now we move to the 9th problem. Length of rectangle exceeds its breadth by 4 meters. If the perimeter of rectangle is 84 meter, find its length and breadth. See here, let us consider breadth as x. So let breadth b is equals to x. See here, he gave length of rectangle is exceeding breadth by 4. So length L is equals to, here length is exceeding breadth by 4 means what is breadth? X, and exceeding x by 4 means x plus 4. So length is equals to x plus 4 meter and breadth is equals to x meter. Now here he gave perimeter of rectangle is 84 meter. So perimeter is equals to 84 meter. We know that perimeter of rectangle is 2 of L plus B. So perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 of L plus B. Here 2 of L is x plus 4 plus B is x. So x is equals to, what is perimeter of rectangle? It is 84. So 84. Okay. Here 2 is multiplying on the left side. If we move to the right side, it will divide. So x plus 4 plus x is equals to 84 by 2. 2 ones are 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4. So here x plus 4 plus x is equals to 42. Here x plus x is 2x plus 4 is equals to 42. Here 4 we move from left side to right side. So it becomes 2x is equals to 42 minus 4. 42 minus 4 is 38. So 2x is equals to 38. Here we move 2 from left side to right side. So it becomes x is equals to 38 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18. So here x is equals to 19 meters. Okay, here x is equals to 19 meters. Here what is x? X is breadth. So breadth is equals to, what is x? 19 meters. Here next length is equals to x plus 4. So length is equals to 19 plus 4. 19 plus 4 is 23 meter. So length is 23 meter and breadth is 19 meter. This is the solution for 9th problem. Here in 10th problem, after 15 years, Hema's age will become 4 times that of her present age. Find her present age. See here, after 15 years, Hema's age will become 14 years that of her present age. So first let present age is equals to x. So let present age is equals to x. Here after 15 years. So after 15 years means x plus 15. So after 15 years. See, after 15 years means the age after 15 years will be x plus 15. So age after 15 years is equals to x plus 15. Here he said that it will become 4 times that of our present age. 4 times of present age. So 4 times of present age is equals to 4 times of present age means 4 into present age means 4 into x is 4x. So here he is saying that after 15 years, if her age is present age is x, after 15 years the age will be 4x. So 4x is equals to, the age is equal to x plus 15. So 4x is equals to x plus 15. We move x from right side to left side. So 4x minus x is equals to 15. 4x minus x is 3x is equals to 15. We move 3 from left side to right side. So x is equals to 15 by 3. 3 ones are 5s are. So x is equals to 5. Here we got x is equals to 5. What is x? X is present age. So present age is equals to 5 years. So present age 5 years. So this is the solution for 10th problem. Now in the 11th problem he gave that a sum of rupees 3000 is to be given in the form of 63 prizes. If the prize money is either 100 rupees or 25 rupees. Find the number of prizes of each type. See here 3000 rupees should be give in the prize in the form of prizes. What is the count of prizes? It is 63. What is the prize money? It is either 100 or 25. He is asking that what is the count of 100 rupees prizes and what is the count of 25 rupees prizes. So here let 100 rupees prizes is equals to x. 25 rupees prizes is equals to y. Here he gave the total prizes is 63. So here 63. So here what are the prizes? One is x and y. So x plus y is equals to 63. So x plus y is equals to 63. Here we have equation 1. Okay. Now here total number of 100 rupees prizes is x. What is the amount that should be given? See, if the prize money is 100 and we have to give 2 prizes. What is the total amount we should give? 100 into 2 means 200. So here also amount of 100 rupees prizes is 100 into x. So amount of 100 rupees prizes is equals to 100 into x is equals to 100x. Okay. 25 rupees prizes is 25 into y. So 25 rupees prices is equals to 25y. Here the 100 rupees amount is 100x and 25 rupees prices amount is 25y. Here what is the total amount? Total amount is 3000. So total amount is 3000 rupees, 3000. Here 100x 25y is equals to 3000. See, 3000 is divided in the form of 100 rupees prices and 25 rupees prices. The amount is 100x and 25y. So 100x plus 25y. Here this is the equation 2. By using equation 1 and 2, we should get the 100 rupees prices and 25 rupees prices. Okay, from equation 1, let's take equation 1. So from equation 1, here x plus y is equals to 63. Okay, here what is x? X is 63 minus y. Here y is adding on the left side. If we move to the right side, it will subtract. So x is equals to 63 minus y. Here we got the value of x. Okay, we substitute x in equation 2. So substitute x value in equation 2. See, what is equation 2? 100x plus 25y is equals to 3000. So 100x plus 25y is equals to 3000. Okay, here what is x? X is 63 minus y. So 100 into 63 minus y plus 25y is equals to 3000. Okay, here 100 into 63 is 6300 minus 100 into y is 100y plus 25y is equals to 3000. Okay, here minus 100y plus 25y. Here minus plus. So we have to subtract. So here 100 minus 25 is 75y. So 6300 75y. Here 100 minus 25 is 75. What sign should we give? Here 100 is the greater one. 100 as negative sign. So here also negative. So 6300 minus 75y is equals to 3000. Okay, here we move 6300 to the right hand side. So minus 75y is equals to 3000 minus 6300. Here 3000 minus 6300. Here one is positive, one is negative. So we have to subtract. So minus 75y is equals to 6300 minus 3000 is 3300. 3300. Here what sign? Here it has positive, it has negative. Greater is 6300. The greater number has the sign as negative. So here also 3300 should be negative. Here minus get cancelled. So here y is equals to, we move 75 to the right side. So y is equals to 3300 by 75. Here we should divide 3300 using 75. See, 75, 3300. 75 fours are 5 fours are 20, 7 fours are 28, 29, 30. It is 300. So 75 fours are 300. Okay, here what is remaining? 0. Here 3 minus 0 is 3. Here again 0. 300. See, 75 fours are 300. So 75 fours are 300. The remainder is 0. The answer is 44. So y is equals to 44. Here what is y? Y is 25 rupees prices. So 25 rupees prices is equals to 44. Now we should write the 100 rupees prices. So rupees 100 prices is equals to, what is x? It is x. What is x? X is 63 minus y. So 63 minus y. Here what is y? Y is 44. So 63 minus 44. See, 63 minus 44. 10. 13 minus 4 is 9. 5 minus 4 is 1. It is 19. Okay, here 25 rupees prices is 44 and 100 rupees prices is 90. Here this is the solution for 11th problem.